Today we are going to discuss about how to do the sign convention for the spherical mirrors. So our topic is to discuss about rules of sign convention. So maximum students are going to have a little confusion while you are going to keep the plus minus sign for especially the important concepts like U, V, F. So let me tell you one thing, that is, in the case of concave mirror, so this is a concave mirror. This is P, F, C. Now this distance is what we called as F, and let us assume that I placed the object here. Then this distance is what we called as U, and let us assume that the image has been formed here. Then this distance is what we called as V. That means what is called as F here, the distance between pole to focus is what we called as F. What is U here? The distance between pole to the object is what we called as U. What is V here? The distance between pole to the image is what we called as V. So now in all the three cases you have to understand one thing, that the distances should always be measured from the pole. So is our rule number 1 of sign convention. What is that? Distances are always going to be measured from the pole only. That means whenever you have to say about object distance, you have to say PO. Whenever you are going to say about image distance, you have to say PI. Whenever you are going to say about focal length, you have to say PF. Now the critical concept here is in which side you are going to place the object in the place of concave mirror. Okay, now we have taken concave mirror. Now you are going to tell me on which side we are going to place the object, because we are going to have two sides. One is this, other is this, 1 and 2. See, 1 is silvered, that portion is silvered, then obviously you are going to place the object on 2. So in which side you are going to place the object, that entire side is going to become minus, opposite to that is going to become plus. That means in the case of concave mirror or convex mirror, in which side you are going to place the object. See, this is a very simplest technique that you have to remember. In which side I am going to place the object, that side is going to become minus. Now the question is, if F also falls under the same side, then it is also minus. If V is also falls on the same side, then V is also going to become minus. See, isn't it easy? Now let us take an example. Okay, there is a concave mirror. There is a concave mirror whose focal length is equal to 20 centimeters and object is placed at 60 centimeters. Object is going to be placed at 60 centimeters. Then you have to find the value of V, image distance. Obviously you are going to use mirror formula for this. What is our mirror formula? 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V is called as mirror formula. Definitely we are going to use this formula. But the question is, we should have to apply sign convention before solving any problem. You have to apply sign convention. Now the question is, see, this is the concave mirror. Understand carefully. This is the concave mirror. This is the principal axis. This is P, F and C. Now tell me, which side is minus? The side which we are going to place the object is going to become minus, and this is going to become plus. That means object distance in the case of any mirror, always you are going to take the value as minus. That means U is equal to minus 60 centimeters. There is no doubt about that. So irrespective of the type of the mirror, U value is always negative. Now the question is F. Now tell me, what is F? This value is F. Now this is also in the same portion of minus. That's why F value is also going to become minus. Hope you understand. Now while you are going to solve the question, in what way you are going to write here? 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Now I am going for the value of 1 by V. Then 1 by F will be there, and the transposition of 1 by U is minus 1 by U. Now 1 by V equals to 1 by F. F value is minus 20 minus 1 by u value is minus 60. So what we are going to write here, 1 by v equals to, minus is always in the numerator, minus of minus is going to become plus, this is 60. The LCM of 20 and 60 is 60, and 20 in 60, this is 3 times, 60 in 60, this is 1 time. 3 1 jar 3, minus is there, that's why this is minus 3, plus 1 1 jar 1, so it is going to become minus 2 over 60. Now 1 by v is minus 2 over 60, then v is going to become the reciprocal of this, that is minus 60 over 2, this is minus 30. Now what you have to understand from this, you have to understand that the image is also going to be formed on this side only. See, now hope you understand in what way we are going to apply sign convention for the concave mirror. Now let us see about the convex mirror, how we are going to apply sign convention for the convex mirror. In the case of convex mirror, in what way we are going to apply sign convention. See, this is our convex mirror, this is our convex mirror, this is the principal axis P, F, C. Now students, can you please tell me on which side we are going to place the object? This is part 1, this is part 2. On which side you are going to place the object? Obviously on the part 1. So here you are going to place the object, right? So this is the position of the object. Then where you are going to place the object, that entire side is going to become minus and the opposite side is going to become plus. Hope you understand. Now in what way we are going to adopt the situation? Now let us take, in the place of concave mirror, object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters and the focal length is equal to some 15 centimeters. You have to find the value of image distance. Could you please tell me, u value is plus or minus in this case? U value, irrespective of the type of the mirror, always considered as negative according to the sign convention. Now regarding to the f, this is the value of f. Now could you please tell me, f value is minus or plus? Minus or plus? Obviously it is plus, that's why we are going to write plus here. Now we are going for the value of v. Can you please tell me what is our mirror formula? 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v is the mirror formula. 1 by v equals to 1 by f, the transposition of plus 1 by u is minus 1 by u. So we are writing here 1 by v equals to 1 over, f value is 15 minus 1 over, u value is minus 30. So we are going to write here 1 by v equals to 1 by 15, minus of minus is going to become plus 1 by 30. Now 1 by v equals to 30 is the LCM. 15 in 30, it is 2 times, 30 in 30 is 1 time. This is 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3 over 30. Now the v value is the reciprocal of this, that is 30 over 3, which is equal to 10 centimeters. Now try to understand, we got the value of v as plus 10 centimeters. That means you can easily predict where the image is formed, one portion or second portion. This is here because it is plus. So image is going to be formed in this direction. By this way we are going to use the sign convention for the what we say, the distances on x-axis. Now we are going to see the distances are y-axis, on y-axis. Now this is a concave mirror. This is our principal axis P, F and C. Now see, this is our object. So we place the object here and obviously the image is going to be formed beyond C. Now this is our image. Now tell me, if the image is formed below the principal axis, then its height is taken as minus. If the image is formed above the principal axis, then its height is taken as plus. See, if the image is formed below the principal axis, then its sign is taken as minus. If the image is formed above the principal axis, then the size is taken as positive. So these are the 3 important sign convention rules that we are going to use while solving any problem related to spherical mirrors. Okay, spherical mirrors are going to have important sign conventions and distances should always be measured from the pole. You have to remember this. Another thing is, you have to understand that in which side you are going to place the object, that entire side is taken as negative, opposite to that is taken as positive. And the next one is regarding to the height. If the height is on the image is formed on the principal axis, then it is plus. If it is image formed below the principal axis, its sign is taken as negative. Hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.